Welcome to the Battleship IOWA Museum, a historic naval museum located in the heart of Los Angeles. This iconic battleship served in World War II, the Korean War, and the Cold War, and hosted 4 US presidents. Explore the ship's decks, gun turrets, and living quarters, and get a glimpse into the lives of sailors who served on the board. From the bridge to the engine room, every part of this ship has a story to tell. The USS Iowa ship earned 11 battle stars across World War II, the Korean War, and the Cold War. Here we see USS IOWA ship's world journey to all countries in the map. Discover the museum's interactive exhibits and a collection of historic artifacts. See the gunpowder canister hatch. The gunpowder used for firing the 16-inch guns was stored in the canisters. This picture shows the enemy hit on IOWA turret 2 on March 1944. Now we watch the officers' wardroom. Now we see third level flag bridge, a separate bridge for the use of flag officers and their staffs. Take a guided tour. Go on a scavenger hunt with Vicky the dog, the ship's mascot, and experience the thrill of being on a real battleship. Don't miss this unique opportunity to explore a piece of American history. Visit the Battleship IOWA Museum today and experience the power and pride of America's battleship. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.